Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the vlog. And in today's video we're going to a friend's house and greaser garage. So we're gonna go check them out today and we'll see what they're up to. It's always cool seeing other builds and stuff like that. Stay tuned, don't go away. Here we have a turbo there. I think that's going in this Mustang. And this is an S197.
The booster pump. The swivel link, it's gonna go to where we cut the green and violet wire.
Okay.
That feeds the fuel pump. So the fusible link is gonna go feed it towards the pump. So we don't burn the pump. Okay. The fuse will, in case something happens, something shorts out or whatever. Yeah. The fuse will pop and not the pump.
So
pretty straightforward.
Yeah, pretty straightforward installation. So there you go. And also, if you'd like to see more videos like this, leave a comment down below. Mark from Wildgreasergarage will install these, and he's local here in San Benito, Texas. So
now we put some zip ties in that damn thing.
You know, more hitting. Those parts are very easy to remove. Just
oh yeah, dude.
You know, just kind of
pull
them off.
People have their own way of routing things.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna do it this way.
Yep. Just to kind of keep the install simple.
Yeah, because no one's gonna see it anyway.
Yeah.
It's gonna be covered with the chair. Or with the seat.
For this to clear up.
Okay, cool.
And then from there, I'll go ahead and get this so that I can go ahead and do the update.
Yeah.
And then from the update, then we'll go ahead and load up the tune.
Yeah. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good.
Let's go ahead and do that. All right.
Okay, guys. So there it's going. It's downloading tune. So on this particular thing, we're going back to stock because we're gonna revise my tune and you know, get it running good. Because I was having a little issue there with it felt weird, but you know, they're gonna set it straight, check it out. Right now we're just returning it to stock so that I can get updated to the SCT device. I'm just waiting for this downloading the tune thing, and they'll be updating the device. And there he goes. He's going to go data log it and get it running good. So and there he goes. He's going to data log it. So you know, get it running good and get over that little issue.
The exhaust, especially right now that you're having exhaust leak, it's definitely possible that you're gonna go ahead and have something within the piping that's causing that vibration, causing that false knock to happen.
Yeah.
So you're down about 30-40 horsepower muscle momentum. You got the exhaust leak on the driver's side.
Yeah.
And then on top of that, your belt slip is a pound of boost. So you got all those things to work on.
Yeah.
But once it's done, it's gonna be good.
Should be running good.
Yep.
Well, thanks.
Yeah, man.
Appreciate it, Luis.
No problem.
And I'll leave the link below on the description there, so you guys can check him out. He has a Facebook page, and if you don't want to mention anything else,
Wildgreasergarage, that's the place to go
Wildgreaser.
go ahead and get your parts installed.
So
Just here too?
yes, and he's the owner
NA King.
Anyone.
NA King right here.
Owner of this awesome looking 5.0 NA.
Dirty, man.
So we have this 5.0, and you said NA, right?
Yeah, it's
NA. Okay. There you go. You have it. It sounds pretty good, and Mickey's always good, always good. There you go. Sounds really nice, man. So, and he has a sticker there, Mafia Street Racing. So, little secret here is I've always been a fan of the S197s. So I really like these cars. And there you have the it's automatic, and it has the wheels here. So wheels in the front. Let's get a shot of it from the. And those lights look pretty good. I like them. Go for it. Stay tuned for the next video, and I'm out.